PowerLight Technology's laser power beaming system, developed in partnership with DARPA. This ground-based transmitter fires a safe, invisible, high-powered laser that locks onto a drone in flight and continuously beams kilowatts of electricity straight to a small receiver on the aircraft. The drone converts that laser energy back into usable power in real time, letting it stay airborne for hours or even days instead of the usual 20 to 40 minutes. The strength is true indefinite endurance. No landing, no battery swaps, perfect for persistent surveillance or long-range missions. The current limitation is line of sight and weather sensitivity, but the system is already designed to be mobile and rapidly deployable anywhere. It can simultaneously charge multiple drones at different altitudes and distances, uses adaptive beam steering to track fast-moving targets with pinpoint accuracy, integrates directly with existing command networks for seamless handoff, and operates safely in both maritime and urban environments with built-in fail-safes that instantly shut down the beam if anything crosses the path. Flight tests began in early 2026, with the first successful mid-air recharges over multiple miles, and it's most known for DARPA's push to give small and medium drones unlimited loiter time over contested areas like the Pacific. Check my link in bio for more educational content on military technology. Vet Miltech, daily from the drop zone.